Pork chop biscuit. Jack's, all about the South.
We all lead very busy lives, so probably it's safe to say that convenience is high up on your list of priorities. Certainly it is for mine. Alex Kane and Melissa Shaw know that very well as well. They are here with Builtwell Bank and very proud to offer 31 branch locations around the viewing area. Their newest one, perhaps you've seen it, has just opened up in Ooltewah. So thanks for being here.
Thank you for having us.
We were laughing a little bit a minute ago, not really laughing, but just kind of reminiscing on this idea of convenience. And so for so many people now, they think that that convenience is online banking, which y'all provide that too. But there is nothing, Melissa, like walking into the branch and getting to know your local bank.
It's very important. People really don't realize that they need to know someone in the bank when they have an issue or they just need advice.
Right.
A lot of what we do is help them with their finances.
It also takes any uncomfortableness out of it. That can sometimes for people be a little bit intimidating to walk in, especially if you have a financial need at a bank. But once you know the people, Alex, it makes all the difference in the world. And for you, you're the branch manager there in Ooltewah. New people are coming into that part of town every day.
Absolutely. Yeah, and we really try to give people that local feel. I mean, you know, one thing that we do here at Builtwell is all of our customers have our cell phone number. Every customer,
really,
they have their branch manager's cell phone number. And that's so important because if they have an issue at 7 o'clock on Saturday, it gives them that opportunity. Hey, can you help me? What's going on? And they have that opportunity, and that gives them that.
Okay, so let's kind of turn our conversation a minute, because I would have never in a million years thought you were going to say that. And what type of issue would a person need at 7 o'clock at night from their branch manager at the bank?
You, honestly, anything you can think of. We've had customers who find a property, they're driving down the road, they find a property, they're gonna text us, hey, first thing Monday morning, let's meet up on this. There's so many different things, or oh my gosh, I have something wrong with my debit card. Is there something you could look at? You know, we do it all for our customers.
Because it really is customer driven. So let's go back to the idea of the local bank. You are really just that, with a long history, Alex.
Absolutely.
Right.
Yeah, we've been here 120 years. I mean, in Chattanooga, we've been here since 1996, Melissa, 4. We've been here a long time. We're headquartered here downtown Chattanooga, and we really want to give our customers that local feel, and that's who we are.
When's the last time you saw two women from a bank who were dressed in these bright colors? We were laughing about that earlier because they said banking is not intended to be austere or intimidating. It really is about improving the quality of your customers' lives, so it should be vibrant.
Absolutely.
To that end, Melissa, it's also a great career path for people.
Definitely.
You are hiring right now, and it's not intended to just be a job. You help people grow.
Yes, it's definitely a career. I personally started in banking 35 years ago as a teller, and have just worked my way up through the company.
And now you are?
The area leader over Hamilton County.
Okay.
So taking steps and strides, but yeah, we really want to help even our younger people find that passion, and a lot of it is the customer service piece. So it's important.
You began as a teller too, Alex,
yes.
right?
So I started 6 years ago in September as a teller. As one of those things my grandpa told me, you need a big girl job, when I was 21 years old. So that's what I did, and I've been a branch manager for 1.5 years. And it's just working your way up and really taking care of your customers is most important.
Let's talk a little bit about what banking looks like these days, because it's far more than just checking and savings accounts. I mean, at Builtwell, you do it all.
Absolutely.
But you mentioned like the idea of the customer who might see a piece of property for sale and say, let's meet on Monday. Chattanooga is a very entrepreneurial town.
Yes.
Y'all both, both smiled.
Yes, it is.
So you knew where I was going to go. I bet people are coming with small business loan requests all the time.
Absolutely, that's what we do best. I mean, we do it all best. Don't get me wrong, but taking care of our small businesses is really what we strive to do best.
I'm going to go back to Ooltewah for a minute, because there is all this growth. I think it is still the fastest growing part of the county.
Absolutely.
Y'all do mortgages.
Yes.
So
we do.
is it a good idea if a family is looking to move to Ooltewah or anywhere to come to you first?
I think that's a great idea. I mean, we're there, we're local, we're right in a great, convenient area right off of Snow Hill, right in that public shopping center. They can just pop by and talk to one of our mortgage officers, and we can take care of any needs they have.
And Melissa, back to this local idea, but when it is local, with the 31 branches that span into North Georgia, local's also going to mean the people working at the bank, chances are, live in your particular area. Is that right?
Exactly. And I think I would also mention we do a lot in our communities. So not only do we have locations in all these areas, but we get really involved with our schools and Junior Achievement, Miracle League. We're very involved, not just with the individual people, but with everyone as far as community.
I'm glad you brought that up, actually, because I think I read it was something like 2,900 hours or something insane that y'all put out just in financial literacy education for the area.
Yes.
How old do you have to be to open up an account with you at Builtwell? Do you know?
I mean, we have account owners as young as 12 years old.
Okay.
We, you know, as long as their parent is on the account, I mean, we can do.
I think that's great, because if you've got a child that had a summer job cutting grass or washing cars, let them go open up that account and begin to see really how money works and watch it grow, hopefully.
Absolutely.
If people want to apply for a job with you, 18 and up? That you
18 and up.
18 and up. Do they go online? Would it be a good idea to come into their local branch and shake a hand?
Absolutely. I think either way, you know, we're in a technological era. So, you know, going online and applying for a career is great, but going into the branch and meeting someone and shaking a hand is also a great way to get your face out there and say, hey, I really want a job.
Right. All right, well, they would really love to see you, whether you are looking for that job or you're looking for a vibrant banking experience. Next time you see them, perhaps they'll still have on pink and blue. It could be up to green and red and whatever. They're going to look smashing when you see them. So there's the Builtwell Bank location information for you. Go online for whatever your particular needs are this morning. And by the way, if you are in the Ooltewah area on July 30th, y'all are having a family day, right?
Yes, on July 30th evening, so after work, after summer plans, we are going to have a family event. We are going to have a food truck there. We're going to have some bounce houses there. We're going to do a lot of fun things, and it's just to show Ooltewah who we are in the community, because they just don't know who we are. And so we've been there a year, but there's still a lot of room for us to grow there.
Well, welcome to the neighborhood.
Thank you.
Buyers are out there. Curious what your home is worth? Let Onward Chattanooga Homes do our free home assessment. We'll walk your property. We'll even give you advice to help sell your home, even if you